spread wide like a dreamer. Giant in the sky, look deeper. Sun whispers numbers, ready to fly. Stormy clouds beckon, engines on low. Journey awaits where the wild hearts glow. Venturing on into the mist we go, to chase the hope that we once thought lost. In this realm where the stars are the cause. Take me higher where the sunlight breaks. Feel the freedom, the world awakes. On this ride we'll find a way together. Come what may. The horizon calls, can you hear it? Holding on tight cause I fear it. With your hand in mine, let the moment freeze. Sailing through time with the sweetest breeze. Every heart beats a step towards the prize. In this dance all the answers arise. Floating in waves of colors anew. Just me and you will push through. Take me higher where the sunlight breaks. Feel the freedom, the world awakes. On this ride we'll find our way together, come what may. So let's soar to the heights unseen, where dreams are stitched in between. With every cloud the past we erase, sparking on our destined chase. Take me higher where the sunlight breaks. Feel the freedom, the world awakes. On this ride we'll find a way together, come what may.